Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to prove this trigonometry function. And the question on the board read, show that the derivative of sec x with respect to x is the same as what sec x multiplied by tangent x. So the first thing we are going to do is to take this left hand side of this equation and show that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. So from the left hand side, we have derivative of what? Secant x with respect to x is from the left hand side. Now we're going to show that this is equal to this. The first thing we're going to recall is from a trigonometry identity. When we have secant x is the same as what? 1 all over cos x. So this is equivalent to this from trigonometry identity. So the next thing we're going to do is to replace sec x as 1 all over cos x in this function. So this is going to be equal to a derivative of 1 all over cosine x, then with respect to x. Now we're going to differentiate 1 over cos x with respect to x. Then recall that this is fraction, so we're going to use quotient rule. Then we recall quotient rule formula, which is what? V du minus u dv, then all over v squared. This is quotient rule formula. So now we're going to let this up one to be what? U, then this down one to be what? To be v. Now we're going to use this formula. We write v, we differentiate u. We write u, we differentiate v all over v squared. So this is going to be the same as what? V is what? Cosine x multiplied by du. And if you differentiate 1 is a constant, it's going to be what? 0. Then minus, what is our u? Our u is 1. Then multiplied by dv. Derivative of cos x is going to give us minus sine x. Then everything all over v squared. And v is cos x. So cos x squared is the same as what? Cosine square x. So the next thing we're going to do is to simplify this up one. So this is going to be 1. Cosine x multiplied by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is the same as 0. So this is gone. Then minus multiplied by minus is plus. Then we are left with what? Just 1 multiplied by what? Sine x all over cos square x. But do you know that this can also be rewrite as what? 1 all over cos x, then multiply by what? Sine x all over cosine x. So what do? We just split. 1 multiplied by sine x, 1 multiplied by sine x will still give us back 1 multiplied by sine x. Then cos x multiplied by cos s is going to give us what? Cos square x. So the next thing we're going to recall is from trigonometry identity. When we have 1 all over cosine x is the same as what? Oh, it's here already. 1 all over cos x is the same as sec x. Then similarly, when we have sine x all over cosine x is the same as what? Tangent x from trig identity. So here we have 1 all over cos x. So we can replace it as what? Sec x. Then multiply by what? Sine x over cos x is the same as tan x. So this is going to be 1 multiplied by tan x. So therefore, we have shown that the left hand side of this equation is the same as what? Is the same as the right hand side. So this is how to prove that the derivative of sec x with respect to x is the same as what? Sec x multiplied by tangent x. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.